sting is like being shot with a bullet.
The snake is long, 7 miles. Ride the snake. She's like a rainbow, coming colors in the air. Everywhere she comes in color.
It's not easy being green, having to spend each day the color of the leaves, when I think it might be nicer being red or yellow or gold or something much more colorful like that.
I like rainforests as much as the next person. I know how important they are to Earth's environment. The problem is there's just too much rain.